Hello there, welcome to another episode in the series of DIYs and hacks for the Royal Enfield Himalayan. I've done a few more of such DIYs and hacks. Feel free to check it out after this video. So in today's video, I would show you how to raise the height of your front mudguard on the Royal Enfield Himalayan by about 2 centimeters in less than 100 rupees. Yes, you heard that right, less than 100 rupees. So let's go. In today's video, I'll show you how to raise the height of your mudguard. Basically, why that is done is because while off-roading, mostly mud usually gets stuck between the tire and the mudguard, which restricts the motion of the tire. There are two ways you can deal with the problem of mud accumulating in between the tire. One is just removing the mud flap altogether, but by doing that you leave the frame, exhaust pipe, the horn, oil cooler and the tank to some extent all exposed to the mercy of the front tire, that whatever it has to throw at it. So the best option is to keep the mudguard, but to raise the height of it. Usually they are available in the market, online and offline, which I'll put a few up here on the screen so you can check the price of them. So what you'll need is a 5mm Allen key spanner, a 10 and 12 open end spanner, 4 bolts, 12 nuts and 12 washers to go along with them. And for the Royal Enfield Himalayan especially, there's no wires or no other kind of pipe attached to the mudguard. It is fully placed on the telescope itself. So all you have to do is remove these 4 Allen key bolts with a 5mm Allen key spanner. I'll also show you how the bike looks without the mudguard. If you all want to rock that look, you all can do that. But again, you'll leave everything here exposed to whatever the front tire has to offer. So yeah, for now I'll remove the Allen key bolts and get back to you. So now with the 4 bolts off, just lift the mudguard like this and turn it around. Okay, I have to clean that and just push it back here like this. There you go. So this is how the bike would look without the lower mudguard. Let me know if you like this look of the bike. So yeah, for now I'll just clean this mudguard. Okay, so with the mudguard nice and clean, I'll show you what to do next. So basically, you have to put one of these bolts with a washer through here from the top, and below you have to put another washer here like this. Okay, so as you can see, there's one washer on top and one below. Then take one of the nuts and pass them through. Don't tighten it fully. Then take another one. So like this, you have to pass 3 nuts. It's the same procedure you have to do for the next 3 bolts. Take a bolt, put a washer in it, pass it through from the hole, put another voucher in between. Take a nut, put it through the bolt. Now do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm repeating what I've done again. Basically, as you can see, I've taken a bolt, put a washer in between, put another, passed it through the mount, put another washer over here, this one, then put 3 nuts, and I've done the same for all the 4 bolts. Okay, and so it will look something like this side and this side over here. Now you have to mount this on the bike. Pass it through the telescope like this. And put it back here. Okay. Now, before you put the bolt back in the telescope mount, take a washer and put it through. So I'll do that and I'll show you. Okay. So take a washer like this. Keep it here and work with this nut over here like this. Okay, now you have to do this on all the remaining 3 sides. So I'm showing you again what I've done over here. Okay, so this is the bolt. There's a washer on top, there's a washer here, and there are 3 nuts over here. There's 1 washer here at the end, and now you just have to tighten it. So loosen these nuts like this and hold them with your finger and tighten the bolt. Just don't force anything, keep it slow and steady, and do it on all the 4 sides simultaneously. So as you can see, there's this gap over here which has been created. So move the nuts up, hold the bolt, turn the nuts and move them up, and then just hold the nuts again and just tighten the bolt. Good. Very nice. So as you can see, it basically increases the height by almost 1.8 centimeters or so. So yeah, if you buy a bigger bolt, you can put one more nut in between, you can increase the size even more. I mean the height even more, and this is the height difference. See, it is quite a lot. And yeah, obviously you can see there's enough gap for literally my hand to move in. So I don't think there'll be any problem off-roading with this. So yeah, there you go, an easy DIY hack to raise the height of the mudguard. And this whole setup costed me less than, I think, 100 rupees, and a matter of 10 to 15 minutes to do this. So